What's up, everybody? It's your girl Leslie with another video. For those of you that are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And for this video, I'm going to do how I did my helmet video. I know that I have a 5-second video on one of my other bedazzled helmets that got the most views. So I thought I would show you guys how I got that helmet to be bedazzled. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you all the things that I used to bedazzle my helmet. The first thing that I use, which you're going to need 4 of them, is the E60 jewelry glue. And I use a clear one because you are going to make a mess, and with the clear glue you're not going to see it at all. Once it dries up, it's going to dry out good. And I really like this glue because it's also waterproof, and if you're like me, you didn't care to ride in the rain and it didn't damage or make any of the jewelry fall off of it. They stayed on pretty good. Even though for my bow, I bought this bow off of Amazon. I want to say it was like $26, and they have different colors. But since I did do my helmet black and, well, I guess you could say silver, I'm gonna be painting my bow with this spray paint. And also I got these little rhinestones at Michael's, and they are $9.99, and I want to say I got like 4 boxes to cover the whole helmet. Also, another thing that I use is velcro to keep the bow onto my helmet, so it can attach really good. And even though it has good velcro, I still glued it so that with the rain or the wind it will not come off at all. It works really good. Let me show you guys my helmet. So since I already know how I want to place my bow, I'm gonna start gluing some of the rhinestones so you guys can see how I do it. And this usually takes maybe about a week if you're like really dedicated to trying to finish your helmet on time. But with this one, I want to say I took a little longer because I have migraines, and with the glue it smells pretty strong, so I got a little lightheaded. But if you keep on going, you will finish it in like 3-4 days. Because I want to say my very first helmet, I finished like in 3-4 days. So, alright, so keep watching so you can see how I start gluing them on. Okay. So I do it this way so it's much easier to place them instead of like one by one, because that's going to take forever. Alright, take it off. Okay, so for my bow, I want to keep this part silver, and I just want to spray paint this black. So I'm gonna get my paint and spray paint all of this. Actually, I don't care if this doesn't get spray paint, it's okay. But I'm gonna use this little piece of paper to cover this, and then I'm gonna use tape to just hold it down while I spray paint it. And it says that it'll take 30 minutes to dry. And there is a final look. The bow came out pretty good. I ain't mad at it. It's like a matte black with the glitter. So you can see it good. I think it came out pretty good. I do suggest that you get the clear 600 igloo because it works way better than the black, and I only had like the black one in hand, but it didn't stick as good as I wanted it to, so I do suggest you get the clear one. The clear one works really good. But other than that, there's the helmet.